Hello everyone, I'm Rahul Sandilia and this is the video lecture for the IoT lab. So this is the third video lecture and we'll cover the second unit as per syllabus and fifth, sorry, uh, third and fourth practical as per my teaching plan. So the in the first practical we have seen different shell programs, shell commands, and we have written shell script. In this practical we will start with the Python. So the first practical is basically very simple Python script to just enter your name and print it, basically to get a name from, read a name from the console and print it as a output. So here is your first practical, the read your name and print hello message with name. So basically we just get a name from the input function. The input functions is used to get the input from the console. In an argument we can give the message that during what we want to show during getting input, and it is just a simple two-line program in a Python. Print using f string. In the beginning of the string we put the f, it is f string, that means this string is for the formatting, and the variable that we want to put between the string is given in the curly bracket. So basically it is very simple, one of the simplest program in the Pythons, and we put in Python back to A. Here is a message. I give my name, say Rahul, and we get the message hello Rahul. So basically this is very simple. Now the second part of this practical is rack to B. The practical is basically read the two numbers and print their sum, difference, product, and division. It's also very simple program, but I have mentioned that we have to do it using the system model of the Python system model. Basically, sys model can be used to get the argument we supply during running the Python program. So basically it is the sys.argv. Sys.argv is list of the argument that we get while running the Python module. So we want during running the program we want to provide the input of two numbers from the user. Now we say the input, the total argument of sys.argv is basically sys.argv give the list of argument, but the first argument is always the file name. So if we supply two numbers, the total argument is 3. So here, as the programs clearly mention that we have to read two numbers, so the total argument must be 3. So first we apply the check that if length of the sys.argv is not equal to 3, that means either way we are not providing adequate number of inputs. So we just show the message, give two numbers, and sys.exit means it exits in the program. Next, if we supply the two number, then again we can supply, user can provide a number that cannot be formatted into a proper data type that is required for sum, difference, and product and division. That means if we supply some string, it cannot be divided, it cannot be multiplied, so it cannot be we cannot have a difference. So basically we put this conversion, means sys.argv1 argument is the first number and sys.argv2 is the second argument. We put it in try block so that if we have value error, yes, con- convert converting the argument into the float. If we have a value error, then we will print the message, enter only a number as an argument, and then we just do the sum, which is very simple. Again, put in the formatting string and print it, calculate the difference. Again, put in the formatting string and print it. We calculate the product. Again, put it in formatting string and put it. Now, while division, we have to take say care of the second argument. Again, the user can give uh, 0. So while dividing by 0, the program again calls the exception. The exception is 0 division error. So we do division in the try block, so that if this exception occurs, that is if the second argument is 0, this exception will occur, it causes the exception 0 division error. So we must handle this exception and give a message that second argument must be 0 for the division. So let's see and run this program. This is also a very simple program. Q now Python subtract to C by B. If we do not put any argument, see, we have getting the message, give two number as an argument. Again, if we provide only one number, we have again the message, give two number as an argument. If we provide 2, 7. So here we have sum of the two number is this, difference of two number is this, product of two number is this, and division of the two number is this. Now, if we provide the second number as a 0, while it can calculate the three sum, difference, and product, in the division we have second argument must be non-zero for the division. So this is a very simple, also a simple programs in which I demonstrate the use of basically the exception, which is very important while getting an input or when we expect some input, say some error, some unexpected code. We basically provide them in the try block. This is the end of second practical. As per the teaching plan, this is the third practical. We'll meet in the fourth lecture.